Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. Welcome to Lois and Tingler's vlog, guys. So guys, this is my first video this year. So I wish everyone good luck, and may all your wishes come true this year, and lots of blessings, lots of good opportunities coming our way, and abundance, guys. So I'll just wish everyone good this year, on the good health and happiness and all the luck in this world. So guys, for today's video, guys, I am here in my small kitchen. So you can see, guys, I have a very small kitchen, guys, because I have a very small apartment, and I would love to share it to you today. I would love to make I will make a Kaiserschmarrn. It's a typical Austrian pastry, which is one of my favorite here in Austria, guys, and Austrian people also love to eat that. So I am going to show it to you, and I will share it to you also, the recipe how to make Kaiserschmarrn. So let's start, guys, to cook, because I am already hungry. And do me a favor also, to those who are new here, please don't forget to subscribe, guys, to this channel. Please help this channel to grow, and hit the notification bell also, so you're always updated for my new upcoming videos. So let's go, let's start. So guys, here are the ingredients, guys, for making the Kaiserschmarrn. So we will need 4 egg yolks, the egg white. So we are going to separate the 2 eggs, guys, and we have also flour, we have sugar, we have the how you say this, vanilla sugar, we have milk, we have the butter, we have salt. So I'm going to put the ingredients in the description below later. So of course, we need also the icing sugar for later, guys, when we are finished cooking the Kaiserschmarrn. So first we are going to put the egg white, and then the sugar. So maybe just half of this, and then later on we will going to add this also. So we will put like later on, and then we will mix it with the mixer. Is this its video?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, we have now here our egg white. So we were going to put the Spanish type. I don't know what is this in English. I have to look later, guys. So we're going to put this one, and then we will add like one spoon of sugar. Yes, sugar, and then later we will add this later, guys, and then little bit of salt, and then we are going to mix this until it will get hard like already like a icing. So guys, now we are finished mixing our egg white. You can see guys, it's very hard already. So we will set this aside because we will need this later guys. And now we have here in our separate bowl. We are going to put the egg yolk, all the egg yolk. And then the rest of the sugar before, the white sugar, and of course our vanilla sugar, and then we will also add the milk also. Then we are going to mix it again. So guys, let's mix this guys. So now we will also add guys just half of the milk, and then the rest we will add this later. First we're going to mix. Then we will also add guys the flour yet now. So now we will add 2 of these icing, egg white, and then we will mix this guys slowly guys until it will get fluffy. So slowly like introducing to each other. See? And then again, add again. So the same procedure until we all mix everything, and then it is finished guys, and this is done ready to cook in the pan, and we can eat our Kaiserschmarrn. Okay, so we will So this is I already heated the pan, guys. So we will add the butter. Okay. And then we will add and then we are going to add all of this. And now going to add, here is a billa. Use das Ganze in the ins oben. Das ist hier. So guys, this is our finished Kaiserschmarrn. It's just a little bit too much cook because I too much heat. Next time I know that I should not not much heat, guys, not too much. And it's my first time to cook Kaiserschmarrn. It's a pastry here in Austria, guys. So if you go to the restaurant or in a popular known restaurant, or I think place where you can drink coffee, you can order Kaiserschmarrn, and it's a typical Austrian pastry. So I hope you like this video for today's, guys, and we will see us later. I will see us next time again for another vlog, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. God bless you all, guys, and let's try our Kaiserschmarrn, guys. So this is my Kaiserschmarrn, guys. I have also marmalade. Normally you can normally they have it here with cherry, I think, with cherry, and I just put cherry marmalade. So that's it, guys. So look, guys, this is good. Well, it's just a little bit dark, but it's really good. It looks really good. and there's a icing sugar on the top. So this is a typical Kaiserschmarrn. So enjoy our meal. So let's ask Isabella, how's the Kaiserschmarrn?
It's good.
Arnold also will get Kaiserschmarrn. You also want Kaiserschmarrn, Annie? So this is the Kaiserschmarrn. So guys, just want to add about the Kaiserschmarrn, guys. It was said that in the year 1854, it was first served, and the Empress Elizabeth of Austria. So it was very delicious, guys. So it was said that it was first served, and Empress Elizabeth, just to maintain her diet, guys, so she will remain in good shape. And I would love to say thank you guys for watching this video, and we will see us again next time, guys, in the next video coming, guys. And please, guys, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Subscribe. And
Subscribe.
yes, don't forget.
Like.
Yes, and don't forget to like and leave your comments, guys. Let me know what your thoughts, guys, about this our video, and we see us next time. Yes. God bless. God bless everyone. God bless everyone. Have a great day to all. Goodbye.